Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, morning, afternoon, night so far, whenever you guys are watching this. But today is going to be another episode of Goodwill hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we can find. We are here in sunny Southern California in the city of Anaheim, and I'm super excited to take you guys into the store. If you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. I do post videos every single day. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store and check it out, because I am hoping we can find some awesome stuff. So let's go check it out.
Ooh, look at this like console. So nice. $50. Oh. Okay, first of all, this is like a cool little bench thing. It's like a little broken though. Might be able to be fixed. I don't know. This is a cool outdoor chair. This one's $25. It's Opal House from Target. I love this store so much. It's one of like the bigger stores here too in Orange County. But let's check out the back and look at more furniture. I'm always excited to see what they have here because they always have great furniture pieces. Planter? What is a planter? Look at that giant, like, decorative thing. This carpet looks pretty nice. I like the stripes. Looking at the artwork. Mirror. Oh, gotta love butterflies. Oh, look at these guys. It even comes in like this cool container thing. Very fancy. Ooh, these are always cool. Oh my gosh, we definitely have one of these like trees, like those. I don't know what these are made out of, but they're like laurel trees made of hard plastic, glass. I don't know what these things are made out of, but definitely had those in our house back in the day. It's wizard chest set. These are normally like pretty pricey. Katie got like 50 of them for his birthday because everyone got him a wizard chest. There's like a foot sculpture, bunch of haunted dolls. Don't look at them too hard because they're gonna follow you home. Let's see what cool knickknacks we have. This is like a real piece of coral. Seashell. That's kind of fun. Oh my gosh, it's a polar bear. Fabulous. So I don't know why I think these are so cute. It's probably because they have little feet. I love anything with like tiny little feet. Those are so fun. Oh, I thought they were etched, but I don't think they are. Ooh, like random lids. So we need a lid for something. You can get one here. Whoa, what is this? Uh-oh, someone dropped something. Just looking through all the glassware. Seeing if we can find anything, you know, Tiffany's. That's what I'm always on the hunt for right now. No. Little owl, little fish plate. We're looking through the plates now. you know, these floral plates are coming back in. Pottery Barn has like or Williams-Sonoma has like a really cute collection of them. They look just like the ones you can find here, so save yourself a lot of money comes in a Goodwill, because you can find some amazing plates. Nothing against Williams-Sonoma though, of course. I love Williams-Sonoma stuff, but you can get it for like a fraction of the cost. Okay guys, I just found this cap rack. Holds 36 caps. It's from the Container Store. Originally 10 bucks, now 6. This is interesting. Looking through all the toys right now. I just picked up a couple things for the kids earlier at another store, so. But I feel like the Goodwill or thrift stores in general are always a good place to look for toys for the kids, because they just outgrow them so quickly, or they break them, or, you know, lose them. I feel like the thrift is like a good place to look for toys. Oh, look at this chair, it's kind of cute. It's really heavy too. Dining chair, light blue. And we are here at Rare, one of my favorite Goodwill boutiques. Let's go inside and check it out. Starting out here in like the home goods. Ooh, look at like this old telephone, but it's like not actually that old because the buttons are like real buttons. It's not like a rotary. Okay, lots of these like modern Christmas tree looking things. They changed the layout on me a little bit. I wonder what these are. Ooh, a leaf. This is pretty. Mikasa, 24 karat gold. I feel like they have these at Costco. I feel like this is from like Pottery Barn or something. No, it's not. Cute though. Hey guys, I found this really cute Kate Spade. I like the color. It's like $20. I think this is cleanable too. This is like a fun little summer spring crossbody. And then have these guys. This is Kate Spade. It's only $4, but it's because it's really worn in. But this is like a good dye job, and this will look really good. Just dye it black. And there's this Michael Kors, but it's missing the dongle right there, but it's $12.99, and it's in really good shape. So I don't know. Oh my gosh, how cute are these Kate Spades? I'm like so dead over them. Hello. Hi. This is like a little metallic B. Mikowski. This is only 10 bucks. What? These Tiffany glasses are $60 instead of $4. Those are cute. There are these Ugg green boots. How much are those? I think it says 50. Those are cute too. I just went through all these bags. Nothing really too exciting. Oh, wait, hold on. How did I miss this Brahmin? Oh wait, there's a hole in it. Would have been perfect, but we don't like holes in our bags. No, no, no. There's this $10 Cole Haan bag. It's actually not too bad. It's actually like a nice silhouette. Kind of reminds me of a Fendi spy bag. 10 bucks. You guys, I'm so shook. Check it out. Bottega Veneta. Gorgeous. Size 39. Yes. You guys, we just left the store. Hope you guys had fun going into that store. If you guys did, give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. I'm gonna head over to Target. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh my gosh, a bag with a unicorn on it. It's so cute. This white coach has been here for a bit. That one's $40. There's a Nicole Miller bag. What is this? A Lottie Vindy. Here's a little Coach shoulder bag. $20. This way is a little dirty.